Let's check our Windows version first. On your keyboard, press and hold Windows button and then press R. This search bar will appear on your screen. Type WinVer and then press Enter. We have Windows 10 Pro running right now. Press OK. Now open Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon on your taskbar. Click on Settings. You can either click on Windows Update or Update and Security button. On this screen, you will see a Check for Updates button, so just click on it and you will see Windows 11 updating option. So just click on it. I'm already installing it right now. After the installation is complete, click on the Restart Now button. This screen will appear and it will take some time, so just wait. After some minutes, it's about to complete. Then your device will restart and load again. After loading is complete, the lock screen has appeared. So let's unlock and see forward. Just turn the first and second options on and tap on the Accept button. So finally, Windows 11 is updated and working right now. Let's check our Windows version again. Again, press and hold the Windows button on your keyboard and then press R. Type WinVer on the search bar and press OK. Now, you can see the Windows 11 Pro is running.
Don't miss out on the latest tech revelations. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and more. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always in the know. Welcome to Tech Specs, your guide to discovering the full potential of technology. Let's explore the future together.